harvesting machine in front of us is rapidly harvesting mature sugar beets from the field. These sugar beets, which look like large radishes, are the raw material for producing white sugar. Sugar beets are frost-resistant and have a high sugar content after being cleaned with a high-pressure water jet. The sugar beets are sent to our drum-type cutter, where they are chopped into evenly sized fine strips. The sucrose in sugar beets mainly exists in the cell sap, so cutting the beets into strips and heating them will break the cells, causing the protoplasts of the cell wall to solidify. When the strips are soaked in water, the sugar diffuses into the water through the process of osmosis. Using a countercurrent method, the extracted juice is drained from the bottom. At this stage, the extracted juice still contains a lot of impurities, which need to be purified to increase the purity of the sugar juice, while lowering its viscosity and color value. A double carbonate method is used for purification. After purification, the sugar juice is boiled and concentrated, transforming from a pale yellow juice into a thick, amber-colored syrup. Finally, a centrifuge is used to separate the mother liquor, leaving behind the crystallized sugar in the machine. After washing with water and drying, the final product, white granulated sugar, is ready.